Assalamu alaikum and good morning, grade 1. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good, alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your numeracy class. So tell me how many of you have revised the yesterday's lecture? Yes, all of you. That's very good. And what was the topic? What we have discussed in yesterday's class? We have talked about the importance of clock, right? That why do we need a clock and why do we need watches? Okay. So, how many of you have bought watches for you? Okay, you will buy them over the weekend. Wonderful. Okay. So, class, in today's class, we will not be doing any written work. We will just be doing an activity which is very great. And the things that we will be needing for this is one white paper. Other than that, we will be needing a protector and a pencil. And the third thing is a scissor. We will be needing these three things to make that. And what is the thing that we are going to make? We are going to make a clock face. Okay, so let's start the activity because I have told you that you will be needing a white paper. Other than that, a scissor and a protector. Okay, so okay, let me adjust this so that you can see this. Over here, I have this and a white paper. Now, I'll open this so that I can make the big circle on it. Why I'm using this? Because with the help of this, I can make a very good circle. Otherwise, if I just made it with the help of my hands, it would not be that much perfect, right? Right? So that is why I'm using this. So with the help of this, over here, I am drawing this circle. So you will be drawing the circle in a similar fashion. See? Okay, like this. Okay, so it's very easy. How many of you know how to use the protector? Raise your hands. How many of you know how to use the protector? All of you? That's great. Okay, so I have drawn the circle. Let me show it to you. See, is this visible? Okay, the circle has been drawn. So we are done with the first step. Now, what we will be doing, I will fold this page like this. Now we are supposed to cut the circle. Okay, cut this into two halves. So I'm using the scissor. This is the mini scissor. How many of you have scissors in your bag? In your wonderful. Okay, take out your scissors and we are supposed to cut this. Okay. Alhamdulillah. Sorry. So let's start cutting this. Cut it very properly, okay, through all of the ends so that it looks beautiful because we are going to make a clock face. So the clock face should looks like a clock face, okay? So well, if you do not have that much big white paper, you can make a small as well because I have this A4 size paper, so I'm using this, and my clock face would be bigger because I want to look this face like a clock face. Okay, so this is the actual size of my circle. See how beautiful is this? Exactly like a circle, right? Why? Because I have used this protector. Otherwise, it should not be that much perfect. Okay, now I have just removed this extra paper from the sides. Now, what is the second step? I'll fold it one more time. So the next step is that we will fold this circle first into half. The half would be like this. See, first it looks like this. Now I will fold it into half like this. See, this is half. Now into quarter. So the quarter would be that first, you know, fold the paper like this so that these both sides should be like this. See, they are equal. Now hold it from here and then fold it again so that all of these sides should meet it, right? So now we are folding it into quarter. Okay, now press it properly. It should look like this. Done. Now open this. Dun, dun, dun. Now let's count the faces of it, okay, or the pieces of it. Let's count how many of them have been made. This is one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. How many of them are there? Eight. Do we have 8 digits on a clock? No. How many of them are there? 12. So we will fold it once more, okay? So that it turns out to be 12. So see over here, last time we folded like this. Now I'm folding it one more time to get 12 faces out of it, okay? So see, now it has turned into this small cone. Now I will open it again and I'll show you that how many parts this circle has been divided into. Look at this. Let's count them again, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now it has been divided into 12, right? Okay. Let me write the numbers for you so that it gets easier for you to look at that. Okay. So now I'm going to write numbers on it with the marker so that it become visible for you and you can see that it has 12. Okay. Okay. So then 1, and we have this 2, we have this 3, then we have this 4, we have this 5, then we have this 6, then we have this 7, then we have 8, then we have 9, we have 10, 11, and 12. So see, I have written the numbers over it. Okay, now I will draw the lines as well so that it become more visible for you. A dotted lines over every this, right? Okay, draw. Okay, let me show it to you again, that how I'm drawing the lines. Look at here. See, I'm drawing the lines, the dotted lines like this, starting from center, then moves toward the digit. Similarly, starts from center, move toward the digit, start from center, move toward the digit, center, then move toward the digit, like this. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, now this much has been done. Now what's the next step? The next step would be that we will be drawing the hands on it, right? And how many hands do we have on a clock? We have three hands, basically: our hand, minute hand, and a second hand. So you can use any color marker, you can use anything to make that. What I'm showing the time, which is 1:30. Okay, so the our hand would be toward 1, the minute hand would be toward 6, and the second hand would be somewhere like over here. Okay, so see, now my clock looks like this. This is 1:30. Got it? Okay, now what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to make a similar clock hand on your notebooks. Hurry up, make it and then show it to me. Hurry up. It was an attempt to make a clock face. Well, your clock face can look much better than mine. So just make a clock face and then show it to me. Hurry up. Start making. Okay, so you are working. Yes, Zara, you have made your clock face. Show it to me. Lovely. What about you, Asad? Are you done? Show it to me. Excellent. Okay. Yes, Elise? Wonderful. So all of you have made this. This was an activity. You can do the same activity at your home as well by using a proper white paper, some beautiful color markers, and then this match it with the clock which you have in your room, and then see that what are the differences or what are the mistakes on which you are supposed to work. Okay. So hope you guys enjoyed this activity. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.